filming.
All right. Now what we have here is an Australian gutter bird. This Australian gutter bird is stuck. Let me see the camera. We're gonna get a good picture of this Australian gutter bird right here, ladies and gentlemen. The Australian gutter bird is stuck.
Pull it back a little bit.
And we're gonna have to get him out of here, so I'm gonna have to do an animal rescue real quick, ladies. Alrighty. Take this camera, mate. Oh yeah. Live action. I have saved the gutter bird. We're gonna have to do a little. Be very gentle with the gutter bird. We're gonna have to do a little bit of cutting. See this? Oh man, he's wrapped up.
Wow,
bro.
he's wrapped up.
He's wrapped up. We're gonna have to save him. Gonna have to save him. All right.
How are we gonna cut that string off of there?
We're gonna have to do some precision mangrove.
We are saving the Australian gutter bird right now.
Give me the knife, mate.
Pull the knife out.
Scalpel. Scalpel. What'd you do with it? Right behind you. Let's see this.
Okay, alright. PETA, we are not hurting this bird, we are saving it. He may have a string connected to his foot for the rest of his life, but we are trying to help him.
Poor bird, bro.
Without us, he would have never learned how to fly.
Without us, he would have been dead.
Or just been stuck in a nest for his whole life,
He'd have died.
living with his mother. The best thing we can do for him is put him back in his natural habitat and hope that his mom treats him just as if he was a normal bird.
Dude, yeah, look at this foot. This foot's dead. See, this one's alive.
Yep.
This one's dead. All right, buddy. Time to go home, you little buster. And he's like, man, let me go. I'm out. I'm freaking out.
Can you get him back in there?
Go in your home, bro. Oh, he flew away.
He flew away.
He survived.
The first flight of the first bird, the gutter bird. Wipe your nose.
That was awesome. Oh, not hanging from my nose. I'm so sorry. Dude, that was awesome.
Saving the Australian gutter bird. And that's how we do things, ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen. Boom.
Boom.
That's live action right
Live
there.
action.
Yee!